Hello friends, today I will show you my another strategy. This strategy is also good, maximum time you will. First of all friends, please subscribe my channel and also do comments. It's really more helpful for me to understand my strategy good or bad. And also if you want to get more video, please subscribe my channel and also do comments. So let's start. Okay. Just wait. Just drawing. Wait. Please subscribe my channel and also do comment. At first you should practice in your demo account, then real account, otherwise not, because this market is really risky market. For this region you should understand it. That's why please practice in your demo account. Please practice in your demo account. Okay, just wait. Just wait. Please subscribe my channel friend, it will be really helpful for me. So please practice in your demo account, otherwise can't understand properly. So please practice in your demo account. So please practice in your demo account. Okay, just wait. So sad. Okay, okay, just wait. Maximum time you will win. First of all you need just practice, that's it. Then you can win, otherwise it's really difficult for you. So practice, practice, practice. Okay, heikin ashi ki, heikin ashi, select, then 1 minute candle. Just wait, see this candle, then next candle, maximum time put. Just wait, just wait, just wait. It's a, I think, best moment. Just wait. When you will see red candle, green candle, sorry for that, and red candle, then put. Just wait. At first please practice in your demo account, otherwise not. Maximum time you will win. See this, like this candle, not another candle. Upper rejection, lower rejection, like this candle. Otherwise please don't trade. Okay, maximum time you will win. See this candle not valid, this candle not valid. This is a valid candle, valid candle. See this, win. Just wait. See this, valid candle, upper rejection, lower rejection. That time it will be valid, otherwise not. See this, red candle, this type, then win. Next, like this candle, then put. See this, like this candle, that means this candle, not another candle, this type of candle. So be clear, not another candle, like this candle, then call. Okay, next, see this type, then call. See this, always try to, when it will end, that time always try to first click, otherwise it will be come here. That time please always try at first 30 seconds. See this, like this candle, wait. So friend, please subscribe my channel and also do comment. That time I will share my more video and more strategy. And if you want to get more strategy, please subscribe my channel and also do comments. Okay friends, have a good day.